Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Pixieset website. Create an account, confirm your email, and choose a template to start. Next, set a clear site title, upload a strong cover image, and organize your first gallery. Add gallery details, pricing, and delivery options so clients know what to expect. Finally, preview your site on desktop and mobile before publishing to ensure everything looks great for visitors. Start by organizing your work into galleries and giving each one a clear title and description. Upload high-quality images and use consistent file naming to stay organized. Set gallery privacy, enable downloads or sales options, and configure watermarks if desired. Add pricing or client proofing tools so customers can select favorites. Always preview the gallery layout on desktop and mobile to confirm it looks polished and professional before publishing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading contracts, client notes, and photography guides on the go, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It fits easily in a camera bag and helps you stay organized between shoots. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Personalize your Pixieset site by adjusting fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand. Link a custom domain for a professional web address and set up SEO basics like page titles and meta descriptions. Configure client email templates and automatic order confirmations to save time. Integrate payment processors and delivery settings so clients can pay and download smoothly. Test forms and checkout once more before sending clients to the live site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.